Now, before we start with the question, right? So we've seen another solve in a minute questions. Some of the questions are actually long, right? Can you actually do them in 60 seconds? Yes, if you're able to understand and then understand the approach or the concept you have to apply over here, then the solving part is going to be very little, a fraction of a minute, right? The reading part and understanding is what takes a little longer. Okay, let's start with this question. A straight road connects points A and B. Car 1 travels from A to B, okay? And car 2 over here is traveling from B to A, okay? And both are leaving at the same time, fine. After meeting each other, they take 45 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Then I know the meeting time over here, direct concept, root of 45 into 20, right? The extra time they take to reach their respective destinations. Root of 900 comes to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the meeting time, okay? If car 1 travels at speed of 60, then what's car 2's, right? Ratio of time I know. It was 30 plus 45, which is 75 for car 1, and 30 plus 20, 50 over here. 75 to 50 is 3 is to 2. So 2 is to 3 reciprocal becomes the ratio of speed. And if this is given as 60, this becomes 90. Option 4 becomes the answer for this question. Right? So just read it patiently and then you should know the concept as well. Right? You can't just answer it by going in for the old school, right? Using the variables and all of that, right? You can't use the school approaches here, right? Just go through the concepts and you should be able to answer these pretty quickly, right? Just to quickly go through this. The meeting time is something we've explained in our lessons at mockat.com, right? What is this meeting time concept over here? If after meeting, they're going to take 45 more minutes and 20 more minutes to reach their respective destinations. The meeting time taken to meet was the square root of the extra time taken. Square root of the product of the extra time taken, 45 into 20, right? So root of 45 into 20, this is 900, root of 900 is 30. We all know that, right? Once we found the time taken to meet, right? Car 1 over here took 30 minutes to meet car B, then they took 45 minutes more, right, to reach the destination. So total time taken is meeting time of 30 plus the extra time, 30 plus 45, that gave rise to the 75. And car B over here took 20 minutes after meeting. So 20 plus 30 comes to 50 over here. 75 is to 50, that's going to be 3 is to 2, right? And ratio of speed, therefore, is going to be the reciprocal, which is 2 is to 3. And when you know 2 parts is 60, then 3 parts become 90, right? So this is another one of those time and speed questions where you don't need to use variables. Understand, take your time to read, understand, then this concept is going to strike immediately. Again, stress is not going to help you during the exam. Just focus on the question and nothing else. You should be able to answer this within a minute.